Bachelor of Physical Education, major in PE. In today's video, we will tackle about a summation notation. But before that, what is summation notation all about? So we have here summation notation. So what is summation notation? From the word sum, addition or plus, adding the numbers. So we have here a formula of example number 1. So look at here. How to read this formula? Summation of x sub I, where I is ranges from 1 to 6. Again, summation of x sub I, where I is ranges from 1 to 6. Okay. How to expand this formula? Okay. To expand this formula, so we have here given numbers. Okay. Because where I is ranges from 1 to 6, we need to expand these numbers. Okay. So we have here an examples. So, how to contribute this formula? X sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3, x sub 4, x sub 5, and x sub 6. Okay. Okay, because I is ranges from 1 to 6, so therefore, we have here a x sub 1 to x sub 6. So, next, x sub 1 to x sub 6, gaan ta siya value. So, we have here a value 9, 5, 8, 4, 6, and 7. Okay. Next, how to read these numbers? X sub 1 is equals 9, x sub 2 is equals 5, x sub 3 is equals 8, x sub 4 is equals 4, and x sub 5 is equals 6, and x sub 6 is equals 7. Okay, next. Before we start the solving, okay, we go back here the title. Summation notation. Because the main operation of this topic is add or plus. Okay, because from the word sum, adding the numbers or plus. Okay. So, to contribute these given numbers, so we have here is solving number 1. Okay. Solving number 1. X sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 plus x sub 4 plus x sub 5 plus x sub 6. Okay, next. Copy the value of x sub 1 is 9, x sub 2 is 5, x sub 3 is 8, x sub 4 is 4, x sub 5 is 6, and x sub 6, 7. Okay, because the main operation of this topic is addition or plus. So, we are going to add the value of x sub 1 to x sub 6. Okay. 9 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7. The total of the value is 39. Okay. So we have here the next example number 2. So we have here the formula in the given numbers here. Okay. How to read this formula number 2 or example number 2? Summation of quantity y sub I minus 3, where I is ranges from 1 to 4. Again, summation of quantity y sub I minus 3, where I is ranges from 1 to 4. Okay, so how to expand this formula? So we have here y sub 1, y sub 2, y sub 3, and y sub 4. So, gaan the values si y sub 1 to y sub 4. Okay, so we have here y sub 1 is equals 6, y sub 2 is equals 9, y sub 3 is equals 7, and y sub 4 is equals 4. Okay, to expand these given numbers, so we have here a solving number 2. Okay, solving number 2. How to read these numbers? Okay. Quantity of y sub 1 minus 3 plus quantity of y sub 2 minus 3 plus the quantity of y sub 3 minus 3 plus the quantity of y sub 4 minus 3. Okay, so we have here the value of the given numbers. So we have here 6, 9, 7, and 4. So go back here. The value of the value of quantity y sub 1 is 6. The value of quantity y sub 2 is 9. The quantity of y sub 3 is 7. The quantity of y sub 4 is 4. Okay. So, copy the given numbers here. So, 3 has 3, 3 has 3, 3 has 3, and 3 has 3. Okay, substitute the value. Okay, 6 minus 3 plus 9 minus 3 plus 7 minus 3 plus 4 minus 3. Okay, 6 minus 3 is 3 plus 9 minus 3, 6 plus 7 minus 3, 4 plus 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 is equals 14.